You've seen me cook with a wok in this course. It's actually my go-to for most things cooking, and it has been for years. So here are my top 8 reasons why I love cooking with a wok, specifically a carbon steel wok. Let's jump right in. Number 1, a wok helps make food taste delicious. Sautéing is one of our 3 go-to heating methods in the Cook Well course. And the principle is pretty basic. Sauté really is just heating a small amount of healthy fat in a pan over a medium-high burner. And you can do that many ways, with a cast iron skillet, a stainless steel sauté pan, or even a wok. A carbon steel wok allows for a quick searing of meats and vegetables, but also it imparts fragrance from the browning and helps create a more crispy outside and tender, rich, flavorful inside. The number 2 reason I love a carbon steel wok is it's versatile. A wok is a deep, round, or flat-bottomed cooking pot that originated in China, but it's not limited to stir-fry. Woks are used in a wide range of cooking techniques, including steaming, pan frying, deep frying, poaching, boiling, braising, searing, stewing, even making soup, and smoking and roasting nuts. It's so versatile. It means I can do more with less. Fewer pots and pans, and less cabinet space to store them. Number 3, it cooks a lot of food easily. A wok is unique in shape in that the surface wraps up the sides rather than spreading out across a large diameter like most pans. So it has a generous cooking surface without the cumbersome size of a large pan. The wok surface is big enough to fit a lot of food in a single layer for better searing. And because the wok has tall sides, it doesn't splash food on my stovetop, so there's a lot less cleaning up. Number 4, carbon steel is virtually indestructible, yet lightweight. Woks are offered in a variety of materials, from cast iron or stainless steel to non-stick coated, aluminum, or even carbon steel. Professional chefs use carbon steel pans for a reason. They're composed of, carbon and iron, which is nearly indestructible. Yet, carbon steel is really thin. And because it's so thin, it's lightweight. So it's easier for me to toss ingredients, transfer food for plating, and washing up. The number 5 reason why I love cooking with a carbon steel wok is that the carbon steel heats and cools quickly. Because it's so thin, it disperses heat quickly. So the wok heats, quickly and cools quickly, and therefore cooking goes quickly. It only takes a few seconds for a carbon steel wok to come to temp, and then it cools just as easily for cleaning. Number 6. A carbon steel wok is a food-safe nonstick pan. In other words, I don't need to use pans with a Teflon nonstick coating, which means my food isn't cooking on, chemicals. Yes, nonstick coatings are made of Teflon, which is made of chemicals. It's bad for your food and it's not great for your body. With proper seasoning and care, a carbon steel wok will develop a natural nonstick patina. And it can even be slick enough for a fried egg to slide around like a hockey puck on ice. And because the carbon steel patina is natural, there's no cracking and peeling like Teflon. The Teflon cracked surfaces eventually end up in your food, and the pan in a landfill. So, use a carbon steel wok and be free of chemical Teflon on your food, and your pan lasts forever. Number 7, a carbon steel wok is a great investment. You may be surprised to learn how affordable these pans are. And like I said, they last forever, truly. Because they're virtually indestructible, you won't need to throw them in a landfill to be replaced with another pan, and then another one after that. And the number 8 reason why I love cooking with a carbon steel wok is it's trusted and timeless. For centuries, the wok was used by nomadic people who couldn't carry a whole cupboard full of pots. This single pan was trusted, dependable, and more than enough for cooking a wide range of foods, no matter the conditions. Cooking with a carbon steel wok feels like a nod to our ancestors, whether over a wood-fired stove in an ancient Chinese village or as a cowboy over the open-range campfire. Cooking with carbon steel has a bit of romance and history all rolled up in one, and the result is great tasting food. Wok cooking is timeless, and yet it's timely. What could be healthier in today's world than cooking simply with healthy fats, quick searing of meats, and versatility for vegetables of virtually any kind? A wok is not limited to Asian-style dishes. It's a healthy and flavorful technique that can be applied to many foods in many ways. Okay, there you have it. My top 8 reasons why I love cooking with a wok. A carbon steel wok. Number 1, it helps make food taste delicious. Number 2, it's versatile. Number 3, it cooks a lot easily. Number 4, it's virtually indestructible and lightweight. Number 5, it heats and cools quickly. Number 6, it's a food-safe non-stick pan once you build up the natural patina. Number 7, it's a great investment. And number 8, it's trusted and timeless. Thank you for being here. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next class.